Hey, if you're looking to launch your boat and you're on the southwest side of Lake Martin, Real Island Marina might be a good opportunity for you. It's located off of Real Island Marina Road, and it's a great spot. Just please note, it does cost you $10 to launch your boat here, and so you're supposed to pay here inside the marina store behind me or the ship store behind me, or put it in a drop box if it's closed. But one thing I think, if you're going to launch your boat at Real Island Marina, that's the boat ramp behind me, is that they don't have a whole lot of boat parking here. So if it were me, especially on like a busy weekend, I might plan to park, see if I had an alternate plan to park my boat and my trailer after, especially on busy weekends. But if you are wondering about other boat ramps around Lake Martin, please, you can download my free app. It's called Lake Martin Voice. It's free in your app store. Or just visit me on the web, lakemartinvoice.com. I'd love to help you with real estate here. I'm John Coley. Thanks.